If you are running an online store on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, or Etsy, you know how messy accounting can get. Multiple platforms, delayed payouts, and hours of manual reconciliation. Sounds familiar, right? Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart, simple software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into A2X, the powerful e-commerce accounting software that connects your store directly to your accounting platform like Xero or QuickBooks, and of course does the heavy lifting for you. So we will walk you through how to set up A2X, connect your store, and automate your accounting with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seller, bookkeeper, or accountant, this video is your quick start guide to mastering A2X. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of A2X. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we know that the better option is to click the Try A2X for free. If you do, you'll be forwarded to a dialog box wherein you need to choose which channel you would like to connect first. Is it going to be Shopify, Walmart, Etsy, PayPal, Amazon, eBay, and multi-channel? So this is prerequisite before you can move forward. In my case, I'm going to be choosing Shopify, but if your store is different, you choose that. Okay? After doing so, you will be forwarded here wherein to make the account creation a lot easier and faster, you can sign up using your Google account, your Xero, or with your Intuit. No credit card required. After that, now the homepage is obviously your main dashboard and the control center of everything that we see here. Alright, so that's going to be the overview of any recent payouts, connection status like we have it here, of your sales channels and accounting software, or any alerts or syncing issues. So the purpose of the homepage, it gives you a snapshot of your account health and activity in one place. Of course, obviously, the payouts is the list of the payouts from your sales channel. So depending on the store that you connected, for example, Amazon, you have the disbursement, and for Shopify, you will have the Shopify payouts here. So right now, since this is a newly created account, we have so many things that we need to set up, because the status of whether each payout has been posted to your accounting system will determine by here. Right? It ensures accurate reconciliation between marketplace deposits and your books. And obviously, the accounts and taxes is where you can map your sales, fees to the correct chart of accounts in Xero or QuickBooks. Remember, I have chosen Shopify, so the account and tax rate maps includes the Shopify. If you choose Amazon, it would definitely appear here. So you can assign revenue to sales accounts here, map shipping income, refunds, discounts, and fees. And obviously, here you can set up tax rates. Now, there's going to be an option here, how to map accounts and taxes. If you do, you will be forwarded in this section. And as you can see, there's going to be an option for that on the homepage. We're going back to the main homepage here. And since we haven't connected the accounting software yet, so this is going to be the perfect opportunity for us to do that. But later on, we're going to do that. For now, I'm going to show you more about the costs, because the costs automate the cost of goods sold, or COGS. That is for the accounting department. You can upload product cost data via spreadsheet or inventory tools. All right, you can match SKU costs to sales data, and if you click the enable COGS right here, you would have all of these sections for you. All right, you have the automation for one. Okay, the automation is good for auto posting, means your payouts, and for COGS will automatically post to your accounting system. Turn this on once you're happy with your account and tax mapping. But the most important part is you need to make sure that you connected your accounting software first. So if you're using Xero, QuickBooks, Sage, custom connection, you can do that. For example, if you chosen Xero, click this yellow button, you will be forwarded here. you need to log in to that account, and of course just click the integration process. Now if you wanted to connect your QuickBooks, it's the same thing. All I have to do is click on the green button and you will be connected to your QuickBooks. And again, you need to sign in with the account that is associated with that. All right. Now, if you want, you can skip that for now. Okay. Click this button. You will be forwarded with the step 2. The step 2 is very important because once connected, they will import your sales data. All right. If you don't have any access to the Shopify store, you want to make sure that you have, for example, if you're working for a client, you need to request the admin privileges, all right, or logins for that, because this is one of the very important part. If you click the connect button, you will be forwarded to the Shopify. Click the store name on the top right corner and click switch stores to continue, all right, and then click the install button. As you may notice, you need to log in again. You will be forwarded to the same section. But if you're using the Shopify, you need to go to the App Store. You need to follow and search for A2X Sync for QuickBooks and Xero and click the install button, right? And then from here, just log in using your credentials. Now, if you want to switch different sales channels, you can do that. Go to Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, or PayPal. The step 3 is very important as well because you need to set accounts and taxes. This is where you select and where your transactions get posted in your accounting software. You need to upload first your chart of accounting settings and connections. Then you can set up rules for your accounts. All right, you can do that here. Step 4 is very important because you can post your entries and then reconcile in your accounting systems later on. But again, there's going to be another section here on top about the reports, providing all of the summaries and breakdowns of your financial performance. Say, for example, if you're using monthly summaries, you can click the export data, you will be forwarded here. So you can have more options. You can export sales by product or region, COGS reports if enabled, remember that, helping you analyze trends and make informed financial decisions. All right. And again, you can basically have a settings here if you wanted. Now, if you hover to the gear icon settings here, you would notice that it offers the automation. The automation enables and configures automatic posting of your settlements to your accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. So you can set up auto categorization rules for different types of transactions. The product types lets you define what product categories or types to help A2X match SKUs with the correct accountings for tracking. Now, the sales grouping and tracking controls how your sales is grouped before being sent to your accounting software. You can also set tracking categories like departments, regions used in your accounting system. The history shows the log of settlements and financial A2X processed or posted. But of course, we don't have any thing yet because we haven't connected Xero or QuickBooks or even the store. But if you do, you will notice that the connection manages the e-commerce platform. Like for example, if you have connected your Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, you would know all of them here. You have the chart of accounts, tax rates, and of course the tracking classes. The cost of goods sold, or the COGS, is where you can upload or connect the SKU cost list for precise tracking. All right. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough of A2X, the e-commerce accounting software. So we've covered how to connect your store, sync transactions, and integrate with your accounting platform. So now you can save hours of manual work and get accurate financials effortlessly. So if you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business and want clean, audit-ready books with minimal stress, A2X is absolutely worth considering. It's especially great for sellers on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or Walmart who want to automate accounting without losing accuracy. If this video helped you out, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss on more smart tools and tutorials to grow your business. If you have any questions about A2X or other e-commerce tools, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep selling smart and stay savvy. See you in the next video.